Hey beauties! I thought it would be super fun to do a makeup transformation today using the Colourpop It's All Good palette. This is such a gorgeous palette. The shades are beyond stunning. They're creamy and you can just have so much fun playing with all these different shades. There's mattes and metallics and pressed glitters. So I'm just starting. I reached into the first shade there, All Smiles, and using a pencil brush today, I'm just kind of stamping it on, and I'm going to kind of carve out a half moon shape on my eye area. So I do have hooded eyes, so this is covering up my hooding, and by using a pencil brush, it's going to make the color more intense and more concentrated. So I'm really just wanting to do that today for a New Year's Eve kind of smoky glam look. So I'm just stamping it all over with my pencil brush. And I know it looks like a hot mess, but we're going to have a transformation. So now I'm taking the shade Sunbelt, and I'm just blending just the edge of the color we just laid down. So very, very gently, using only 2 fingers to hold the brush. You're just going to very, very gently make small circular motions and just blend just the edge of that other color that we just laid down, the darker shade. So this is a Fenty fluffy brush. So this is a really nice brush. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, just the edge. Try your best not to touch the first color, the brown shade, too much. So then I'm going in with Vibes and using a smaller fluffy brush. This is a Jeffree Star Morphe brush. I'm just kind of packing this and then tapping it on the outer portion of my eye, just where my eye ends. So I'm not extending it. I'm just tapping it just where my eye ends and sweeping it inwards. So as you can see there, I'm just sweeping it inwards, and I'm not using it to extend the shadow. I'm not extending this color. I'm only sweeping it in. So now I'm packing on the same shade, but now I'm using a shader brush. So that's just going to give it a different look. And then again, blending our edges. And then packing on a little bit more of that Vibes shade just to intensify it. But as you can see, just on the outer portion of my eye. So now I'm going in with the darkest shade in the palette, Rock Sugar. And I tapped out on the outer, and then I blended just the edge. So now I'm going in with my Colourpop Concealer. This is the lightest concealer that they have. And I'm just using this concealer to carve out the front portion of my eye. So we're going to put shadows on that, and that's going to make it pop. So I just went in with Cheers to You on a really, really tiny detailing brush, and I'm just tapping that all over where we just put the concealer. And now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous pressed glitter, Michelanda, and I'm just pressing that very gently, taking my time, and you just want to press that all over where you just put the shimmer. So you're laying the glitter on top of the shimmer, and that's just going to make the most gorgeous effect. And I'm just kind of pressing it and pulling it down with a very small detailing brush. And I'm going to take off my eye gels. And again, I'm taking a very, very small detailing brush now. And as you can see, I'm just sweeping that shade, Rock Sugar, the dark brown shade, inwards. And then I'm going to put some on just the outer portion of my eye. So using a smudger brush, and this is a very, very small detailing brush. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a lighter shade. I actually took Good Vibes, and I'm using that for the front portion of my eyes. So now I'm going in with the new Colourpop false lashes. I absolutely love them, and of course my Alegra Beauty Mist for glowing skin and longer lasting makeup too. It just gives you the most radiant, flawless complexion and makes your makeup last forever. So here is the Sol Body from Colourpop. This is a body highlighter, but it is absolutely amazing on your face. And it's so creamy and it smells amazing. It actually has like a kind of tropical-esque scent, maybe a pina colada scent, and it smells so good. And look at that highlight bling. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. And I'm just using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to layer on some more. So I love using an eyeshadow brush, a fluffy brush, to put on my highlighter. It just comes out so, I just love the effect. And this is just a Morphe brush, a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. So I love to put a little bit on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and on my Cupid's bow. And then I also pop some in my tear duct. This stuff is amazing. This is truly one of the most amazing highlighters I've ever used. And then I'm putting some on my brow bone with a shader brush. So just very gently tapping it on right under my brows and then in the tear duct area. So now I'm taking this Colourpop Peach blush. This is this is the best blush I have ever used. I think all my Colourpop blushes, I have to say, Colourpop makes the best blush ever. It's the God's honest truth. This one is called Fresh and Peachy. It's on sale now for only $6. It's incredible. It's the best. It's truly the best. Everything I'm using today is honestly some of the best makeup I've ever used. And then I do go in with another mist of my beauty mist just to make everything just look flawless and radiant and blend together so well and look natural and glowing. And then I'm just putting on a little bit of liquid liner. So I just love doing that to blend my faux lashes with my real. And then I'm putting on a little bit of Kylie lip liner in Dolce K. And then this is a trio from Colourpop. I'm not sure this is available anymore, but I'm going to link a similar one down below. This is their ultra glossy lip in, I believe this is Alley, but I don't think they make it anymore. But they have so many gorgeous ultra glossy lips. And then this is again the highlighter, and here is the finished look. My makeup transformation, new year, new me. Yes, girl, we're gonna live it up in 2020. Happy New Year, beauties. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Love you.